Freetrade is a share trading app that, you guessed it, lets you trade for free. But in a world where there's no such thing as a free lunch, this video will take a closer look at the app and its features to see what the catch is and whether we at Finder think it's worth it. There are 5 key things you need to know about Freetrade. Number 1. With the app, you can buy and sell UK and US shares, as well as exchange traded funds. 2. You can start trading with as little as £2 in your account. 3. During stock market hours, all orders are instant. Outside of stock market hours, orders will be executed at 10 AM the following day for UK stocks and 3 PM the following day for US stocks with no commission fee. And finally, when you refer a friend, Freetrade will give you a free share. Freetrade's free general investment account is its most basic account option. As well as no monthly fee, it also comes with free instant orders and no inactivity fee, so you won't be charged if you don't use your account for a period of time. With Freetrade, you can also get access to a stocks and shares ISA, a self-invested personal pension, and extra features plus interest on your cash with Freetrade's Paid For Plus account. Overall, Freetrade's app is well designed, easy to set up and use, and you can toggle through your account features easily along the bottom navigation bar. The first tab is your portfolio, where you can also top up and add funds to your account. Investing insights and breakdowns will appear in the Insights tab once you've made your first trade, to help you make super informed investment decisions. The next tab, Discover, is where you'll find all of the potential stocks and shares you can invest in via the app. Find your desired stocks using the search bar at the top, or alternatively scroll down through the page to search by category, sector, or popular stocks and funds. Click on the Activity tab to find all of your account top-ups, trades, and pending orders. And finally, Account, the last tab, will show all of your account information. The main catch is the limited features that come with Freetrade's free general investment account. To upgrade or use any of the app's additional products like the ISA, SIP or Plus account, you will have to pay a monthly fee, although these costs are still pretty competitive. Freetrade has a bit of a limited trading universe, so if you were looking to invest in different funds and shares from outside UK and US stock markets, there might be a better app out there for you. And even though you can only trade on these 2 markets, you will still pay a fee for any US trades you make. Another common criticism is that their investment insights are a bit lacking in information and data. But like many other big digital finance players, Freetrade is constantly working to update and improve its features. Freetrade makes money from its free general investment account in 3 ways. Firstly, it charges a 0.45% foreign transaction fee for buying shares in other countries, including the US. Its Stocks and Shares ISA has a fee of £3 a month, and you will be charged £5 for same-day withdrawals from your account. Freetrade also has a Plus account, which I mentioned before, which costs $9.99 a month and comes with lots of extra features, and another premium account, Freetrade Alpha, is set to launch soon. Unsurprisingly, Freetrade's freeness is what we love the most about this app. Opening the account takes like 2 minutes and then you're ready to go. And the app itself is slick and easy to navigate. Downsides include the limited trading options and relatively shallow investment insights. But overall, Freetrade is a great option for beginners who are not looking to invest large sums of money at this stage. It's important to remember that no investment comes without risk, so make sure you do your research and compare all your options before parting with any cash. For our full Freetrade review and to learn more about share trading apps, visit finder.com. Links are in the description below. Subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed this video, or stay tuned for our next video coming up. Thanks for watching.